Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest in tech, cybersecurity, and digital trends. I'm glad you're here, because today's topic is something every tech enthusiast, ethical hacker, or even just a curious learner will want to know about. MKBHD here, and today, we're diving deep into 15 secret Wi-Fi hacking tools you can find right now on GitHub. These aren't your average tools. They're powerful, open-source resources that can help you understand how wireless networks work and how to protect them from real-world threats. Now, before we get started, I want to make it super clear, this video is for educational purposes only. The tools we'll discuss are designed to help security professionals and ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities, test their own networks, and ultimately strengthen their defenses, not to break into networks or cause harm. Remember, knowledge is power, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these tools ethically, and only on networks you own or have explicit permission to test. The goal here is to make the internet a safer place for everyone. If you're excited to level up your Wi-Fi security skills, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into cybersecurity, tech tips, and the latest digital tools. Your support helps us bring you even more awesome content. So, are you ready to discover some of the most powerful Wi-Fi hacking tools available on GitHub? Let's jump in and see what these tools can do, and how they can help you become a true defender of your digital world. First up is AirCrackNG, a name that's become almost synonymous with Wi-Fi security testing. If you've ever wondered how professionals and enthusiasts test the strength of wireless networks, this is often their go-to tool. AirCrackNG has been around for years, earning a reputation as one of the most trusted and effective suites for Wi-Fi penetration testing. It's a legendary suite for cracking WEP and WPA-PSK keys, making it invaluable for anyone serious about network security. AirCrackNG doesn't just stop at cracking passwords. It's a comprehensive toolkit designed for a range of wireless security tasks. It's incredibly versatile. Use it to monitor network traffic, launch attacks to test vulnerabilities, and analyze encryption protocols. Whether you're capturing packets, injecting them, or simply observing how your network behaves under stress, AirCrackNG has you covered. One of the reasons AirCrackNG stands out is its reliability and the massive community behind it. Beginners can find step-by-step guides, while seasoned pros share advanced techniques and troubleshooting tips. This active community ensures that help is always available, and new features are constantly being developed. There are tons of tutorials, walkthroughs, and video guides online, making it easy to get started. Frequent updates from the developers keep the toolkit sharp and ready for the latest security challenges, so you're never left behind. The command line interface might seem intimidating at first, but it actually gives you precise control over every aspect of your testing. You can customize your approach, automate tasks, and dig deep into the details of your network's security. Plus, AirCrackNG works with most wireless adapters, so you don't need any fancy hardware to get started. Just plug in a compatible adapter, and you're ready to go. If you're looking to audit your Wi-Fi defenses, learn about wireless security, or even just experiment with ethical hacking, AirCrackNG is a must-have tool in your arsenal. Next up, let's talk about Wi-Fi, a powerful tool that takes the complexity out of Wi-Fi hacking by automating the entire process from start to finish. Instead of manually entering complicated commands or memorizing endless terminal syntax, Wi-Fi does the heavy lifting for you, making it accessible even for those who are new to cybersecurity. With Wi-Fi, you can simply launch the program, sit back and watch as it automatically scans for nearby wireless networks, selects targets and begins attacking, all without constant user input. This hands-free approach saves time and reduces the chance of making mistakes. Wi-Fi is designed to attack multiple types of Wi-Fi security, including WEP, WPA, and WPS networks. You just pick the networks you want to test and Wi-Fi will cycle through them, launching attacks one after another. This makes it incredibly efficient for auditing several networks in a single session. The menu-driven interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more advanced tools. You don't need to be a command line expert, just follow the prompts and let Wi-Fi handle the rest. Behind the scenes, Wi-Fi can automatically call on powerful tools like AirCrackNG, Reaver, and Pirate to speed up the process of cracking passwords and pins. This integration means you get the benefits of multiple specialized programs, all coordinated through a single interface. Regular updates ensure that Wi-Fi stays current with the latest attack techniques and security protocols, so you're always equipped with the most effective methods for testing Wi-Fi security. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional or just starting out, if you want to streamline your Wi-Fi auditing and make the process as efficient as possible, Wi-Fi is definitely a top pick to consider. Reaver targets Wi-Fi networks with WPS enabled, brute forcing the WPS pin to reveal the password. It's especially effective on older routers with unpatched vulnerabilities. Simple to use, just point it at a WPS enabled network and let it work. If you care about security, disable WPS on your router. Reaver is a strong reminder of the risks WPS can pose. Fluxion combines Wi-Fi attacks with social engineering by creating fake login pages to trick users into giving up WPA credentials. It disconnects users, then presents a convincing login portal. The guided setup makes it easy to launch attacks and capture credentials. Fluxion shows that even strong passwords can be compromised by human error. User awareness is just as important as strong encryption. Kismet is a passive network detector and packet sniffer, no need to connect or send packets. It maps out all Wi-Fi activity, showing networks, connected devices, and rogue access points. The robust interface lets you log, analyze, and visualize traffic in real time. It's a favorite for troubleshooting and spotting suspicious behavior. Open source and always evolving, Kismet is invaluable for wireless analysis. Wireshark is the gold standard for packet analysis, letting you capture and inspect Wi-Fi traffic in detail. The graphical interface is beginner-friendly but powerful for advanced users. Drill down into frames, spot handshake attempts, and catch unusual activity. Used worldwide for troubleshooting, protocol development, and malware analysis. If you want X-ray vision for your network, Wireshark is essential. Cowpatty specializes in brute forcing WPA PSK passwords using captured handshakes and word lists. It's optimized for speed and can use pre-computed rainbow tables for popular SSIDs. Brute forcing is time-consuming, but Cowpatty's efficiency makes it a go-to for testers. Weak passwords fall quickly. Strong ones can take years. Test your own network to see how secure your password really is. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker brings Wi-Fi penetration testing to a clean graphical interface. Scan networks, capture handshakes, and launch attacks without the command line. Supports WEP, WPA, WPA2, and features like session hijacking. Perfect for beginners and still powerful for advanced users. If you prefer visuals, Fern Wi-Fi Cracker is worth a look. Hashcat uses GPU power to crack passwords at lightning speed, supports a wide range of hash algorithms and attack modes, dictionary, brute force, mask, and more. You'll need a decent GPU and some command line skills, but the results are impressive. Great for testing how quickly weak passwords can fall. Hashcat is a must for anyone serious about password security. BetterCap is a modular framework for network attacks and monitoring. Think Swiss Army knife for pen testers. Perform packet sniffing, MITM attacks, real-time traffic manipulation, and credential harvesting. Command line based, but also offers a web UI for remote management. Script and automate complex attack scenarios with plugins and modules. If you want an all-in-one solution, BetterCap should be on your radar. NetHunter brings powerful Wi-Fi hacking tools to your Android device, turning your phone into a portable pen testing suite. Run AirCrack NG, Wi-Fi, and more, all from your pocket. Supports USB Wi-Fi adapters, HID attacks, and GPS-based tracking. The touch-friendly interface is easy to navigate, even for beginners. If you want a mobile pen testing lab, NetHunter is the way to go. Wi-Fi Fisher automates phishing attacks by creating rogue access points and fake login pages. Doth users, clone networks, and harvest credentials with minimal setup. It's a stark reminder that the human element is often the weakest link. Even strong encryption can't protect against a convincing phishing page. User education is just as important as technical defenses. Airgeddon is a multi-purpose bash script that combines handshake captures, evil twin attacks, DOS and phishing into one workflow. Interactive menus guide you through each attack, making it accessible for all skill levels. Constant updates and modular design keep it current and flexible. For a one-stop Wi-Fi security toolkit, Airgeddon is a solid choice. Pixie WPS is designed for offline WPS attacks, exploiting protocol flaws to recover Wi-Fi passwords quickly. Often used with Reaver, it calculates WPS pins without sending thousands of requests. Lightweight and fast, it's ideal for testing WPS vulnerabilities. Another reason to disable WPS on your router, Pixie WPS can break in within minutes. Crackle targets Bluetooth low-energy security, cracking encryption by capturing BLE pairing traffic. It's effective against devices with weak keys, common in many IoT gadgets. Open source and easy to use, Crackle is great for evaluating Bluetooth device security. Wireless security isn't just about Wi-Fi. Crackle proves risks are everywhere. That's our roundup of 15 secret Wi-Fi hacking tools on GitHub. Remember, use them ethically and legally. Responsible use helps strengthen security and protect users from real threats. The real power is using your knowledge to build, not break.